Dit da had inach the dole niver safe. Welcome to program number 7. Today we're going to use the Cornish we already know, but learn some adjective pairs. Pith? Don't worry, we're going to learn some really useful Cornish. Me ara mors the hellis. It's the Gorseth in Helston today, and we're here to get some pictures of the bards.
Fatal you have. Of course you have. Fatal you have. Lins you have course. Yoink you have. A Toma banner. Fatal you and banner. Brazu. A Toma banner arrow. Fatal you. Lins you braz. Bichen you. Toma barth. Fatal you have. Here you have. A Toma barth arrow. Fatal you he. Hint you he here. Bear you he.
Dit da Carenza.
Ah, dit da, Steve.
Fatal you he. Loan you he. Nins you have loan. Threest you have. So what have we got so far? Corth ha yoink, old and young. Braz ha bichen, big and small. Here ha bear, tall and short. Loan ha trist, happy and sad. And we know how to do the negatives. Remember, nins you have loan. That's why we learn adjectives in pairs. If you can't remember that sad is trist, it doesn't matter, because we can say nins you have loan.
Dit da Barthmer.
Dit asli, fat again it.
Then point da Miraz. Hati, Fatlagenes.
Dollar miras is seconds this.
Oh, so much seconds then.
I've been to Caver's tea.
Well, you can have coffee. Dit da Carenza.
Ah, dit da, ta, Steve. Da you gonna fee, coffee do, herb super my plan.
Da Lord. Hati, Barthmer. Pandra Vinta Eva.
Tegan sugar, more play.
Dit da Gowan.
Dit da?
Mir a gil te rag an Barthmer.
Dala.
Ow! Gocky. Tomu.
Yenu.
Teg and sucre rag an Barthmer.
Queg.
A coffee do heb sucre rag Carenza.
Huero.
Conic.
Let's put all this together. We already know Gwyn had do from the colours programme. And we know the most useful pair already. Da ha drog. We also have Corth ha yoink, old and young. Braz ha bichen, big and small. Here ha bear, tall and short. Loan ha trist, happy and sad. Goki ha conic, silly and clever. Huero ha hueg, bitter and sweet. Tamm ha yen, hot and cold.
That's quite a lot of Cornish, enough for a pairs game. Why not make up one yourself? Then you can add in any new pairs you want. Dugenes, bis the nesatro, dugenaqui.